Okay, so we are taking the assignment for matrices. So when we talk about matrices, we are looking at the arrangement of elements in rows and columns. So you can have matrix A to be 2, to be 1, 4, matrix B to be 6, 7, 1, 5. So you can have matrix A plus B. If you are adding the matrices, you have 2, 3, 1, 4 plus you have 6, 1, 7, 5. So if you are adding top left plus top left, down left plus down left, then you have top right plus top right, down right plus down right. So that should give you 8, 4, 8. That's the addition. If you are subtracting, it goes the same way. Top left minus top left, top right minus top right, and so on and so forth. And if you are multiply 2, 3, 1, 4, then you have 6, 1, 7, 5. If you are multiplying, you'd go horizontal and vertical. First is horizontal, second is vertical. So top left, so 2 times 6 plus top right, down left. So you see that with 3 times 7. So when you want the one at the right hand side, that's also going to be the 2, 3 again times the 1, 5. So 2 times 1 plus 3 times 5. So if you want that's what the down one too. Top 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 166. 4, 7 is 28. Then 1, 1, 1, 4, 5 is 5. So that will be 12 plus 21. That's 33. 6 plus 20, 34. 2 10 plus 15, 17. 1 plus that 5. That gives you the answer we have there. So let's take matrix X to be 2, 1, 3, 4. Matrix Y to be 6, -2, -5. So if you want YX, so Y first 6, -2, -5, 4. And X follows 2, 3, 1, 4. So if you are multiplying, you take the horizontal times the vertical of the other one. So 6 times 2, 12, plus 2 times 1, which is -2. Then you go to the other side, 6 times 3, 18, plus -2 times -4, -8. So you come again for the down, 5 times 2, 10, 4 times 1, 4. 5 times 3, Next 15. 4 times 4, 16. So if you are not going to solve, this will be 10. This will be next 6. This will also be 10. And this will be 1. That is the answer. Okay, so now let's take your assignment. The first question is saying matrix A is 3004. Matrix B is AB0C. Aside that AB is equal to A plus B. So question 1, matrix A is 3004. Then matrix B is A, B, 0, C. So they are such that AB is equal to A plus B. What is AB? Horizontal. So the whole horizontal times the vertical. So that is going to be 3 times A per A plus 0 times there's nothing down there, 0. 0 times there's nothing down there, 0. 4 times there's nothing down there, 0. So you see that will be 3A. Then the same works to 0 times B, 0. 0 times, you see, it should have been, AB should be, you see the horizontal times the vertical. But the second, third, fourth are all nothing. So 3 times A is 3A. Then 0 times nothing is 0. 0 times nothing is 0. 4 times nothing is 0. You would have added that to the 3A. So you go to the second side. So 3 times B is 3B. Then 0 times nothing down there. 0 times nothing down there. 4 times nothing down there. Then we go again. 3 times 0 is 0. 0 times nothing down there. 0 times nothing down there. Then we go again. 3 times C is what? 3C. Then the rest will go to 0. So that is it for AB. That AB is the same as A plus B. 3 plus B, 3 times 3 plus A is 3 plus A. Okay. Then 0 plus B is 2B. 0 times 0 is 2, 0. 4 times C is 2, 4C. If these two are equal, it means that 3 plus A is equal to 3A. So 3A is equal to 3 plus A. So 3A minus A is 3. So 2A is equal to 3. So if you do a division, A should now be equal to 3 out of 2. Now 3B is equal to B. So we cannot find B. So 3B is equal to B. So 3B minus B is equal to 0. So 2B is equal to 0. Divide both sides by 2. So B is 0. Then 4C is equal to 3C. And 3C is equal to 4C. So that will be 0 is equal to 4C minus 3C. So C is also 0. As it is. There's an issue with the question, I'm sure of that. So for question one, so that shouldn't be right. The question has not been right here. So the matrix A should have been 3, 0, 0, 4. This is how the question should have appeared. The matrix B should have been A, B, 0, C. So if we are finding AB, that should be 3 times A, 3A, 0 times 0, 0. Then again, the same thing is going to happen here. 3 times B, 3B, 0 times C is 0. 0 times E, then this one to down. 0 times E is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. And 0 times B is 0. 4 times C is 4C. So that is the matrix EB. If you want A plus B, so 3 plus A, then we have 0 plus B, then we have 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus C, 4 plus C. So if these two are equal, it means that the top left are equal. So you can say 3E is equal to 3 plus E. So 3E minus E is 3. So 2A is equal to 3. So A is equal to 3 out of 2. And this is also equal to this 3B is equal to B. So 3B minus B, 2B is equal to 0. So B is 0 out of 2, and that's 0. Then 4C is equal to 4 plus 4C minus C is 3C is equal to 4. C is equal to 4 out of 4. That's it for the first question. Second question. Given that the Philip matrices are equal, so this is how I write it too. So that should be x plus 3, then -1, then 4, then 5. And that is equal to 6y z minus 3, and then 5. If they are equal, then top left equals top left, right? Top right equals top right, and so in that order. So you can say x plus 3 is equal to 6. So what is x? 6 minus 3. So x is 3. Then y is equal to -1. Then 4 is equal to z minus 3. So 4 plus 3 is also equal to z. That is, we found out x, y, and z for question 2. Question 3. So if A minus B 3, 2, and then A plus B. That's how it should be written. It's equal to 2, 3, 2, 6. Find the value of A. So top left, A minus B should be equal to 2. Then the down right, A plus B is equal to 6. If you even decide to add this to A plus A is 2A, next B plus B is 0, 2 plus 6 is 8. So A is 8 out of 2, which is 4. If A is 4, then 4 minus B is equal to 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to B. So B is also 2. That ends it for question 3. A plus 2B is given to you as, so A plus 2B is given to you as 1, negative 2, 0, 1. And 2A plus 3B is giving us 2, 1, negative 1, 0. What are we to find? I have to find A and B. So if I want to find A and B, what the A should be the same variable so that I can take it off. So if I multiply everything here by 2, I'm going to have 2 into bracket A plus 2B. And that's going to be multiplying this 2 by 2. So 2 and 2, next 2 times 2 is also 4. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. But don't forget, this becomes 2A plus 4B. If I expand, 2A plus 4B. And look at 2A plus 4B, 2A plus 3B. If I subtract this one from this, what will I get? I'm going to get 2A plus 4B minus 2A plus 3B. So 2A minus 2A is 0, 4B minus 3B is B. So if I subtract, I'm going to get B. So what would that be? 2, negative 4, 0, 2 minus this one, 2, 1, negative 1, 0. So what would that be? 2 minus 2, 0. Negative 4 minus 1, negative 5. 0 minus minus 1. That's 0 plus 1, 1. 2 minus 0 is also 2. This is the result for them. Now you can put B into any of the equations. So A plus 2B, A plus 2B. So A plus 2B is equal to 1, negative 2, 0, 1. The value of B, we got 0, negative 5, 1, 2. 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 And that should be equal to 1, negative 2, 0, 1. So if you are multiplying by 2, 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. That should be equal to 1, negative 2, 0, 1. So A should now be 1, negative 2, 0, 1 minus 0, negative 10, 2, 4. What should that give us? 1 minus 0 is 1. Next 2 minus 10, that's next 2 plus 10. That's 8. 0 minus 2 is next 2. 1 minus 4 is next 3. And that is the value of our A as well. Number 5. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And then B is equal to neck 1, 2, neck 3, 1. Find P and Q if AB is equal to B minus 2 if AB is equal to P minus 2 next 6, 4 plus 3 4 2 4 2 next 3 2. Okay, so let's look at it. So let's do AB. So AB should now be A first 1 times neck 1, 2 times neck 3, neck 6. Then 1 times 2, 2, 2 times 1, 2. Then 3 times neck 1, neck 3, 4 times neck 3, neck 12, 3 times 2, 6, 4 times 1. So this should give us -7, 4, -15, 10. So let me work at this a bit. So 3 times 4 is 12 plus P. So here I have P plus 12. Next 2 plus 3 times 2, 6. So here I have 4. Next 6 plus next 9. So here I have next 15. So let me do the EB right by expanding first. So I have P, neg 2, neg 6, 4, plus 3 times 4 is 12, negative 9, 6, 3 cubed. So P plus 12 is P plus 12. Then the other will be neg 6 plus neg 2 plus 6, 4. Then neg 6 plus neg 9, neg 15. Then 4 plus Q. So if you compare this, they should be equal. So next 7 is equal to P plus 12. So next 7 minus 12 is P. So P is like 19. Then now 4 plus Q is 10. So Q is 10 minus 4. So Q is 6. How do you find the determinant of a matrix? Determinant of a matrix. If you are finding that E, let's say E is A, B, C, D. So that E is principal diagonal A times D minus B times C. That's how to find the determinant. So always, that's how it goes. So let's take question 6. We have 4, we have like 2, we have 3x, and we have 5. Find the value of S if the determinant of T is 32. So how would you get the 32? 4 times 5 minus 3 times neg 2, which is neg 6. And that should be 3x times neg 2, which is 4 times 5, which is 20, minus 3x times neg 2, which is neg 6x. And that should give us the determinant, which is 32. So that will be 20 plus 6x is 32. So 6x is 32 minus 20. So 6x is 12 divided through by 6. Divided through by 6. So x is equal to 2. So A, that's question 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then B is also 5, 1, 2, 0. You have to find the sum. You have to find the difference. I'm not going to do that for you. So try it and then send to me. That's question 7. Okay. Question number 8. Given that A is equal to 2m plus 1, negative 1, mn plus 4, mn plus 4,